In this video, I will show you how you can add a Gmail account to your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app. Then tap on it. From here, just tap on Mail Accounts, then tap on Add Account. Now just tap on Choose from a list. Now from this list, just select Google. Tap on Open Browser. Now in this section, just enter your Gmail address. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Then tap on Next and select Continue. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the services for which you want to use your Gmail. If you want to use your Gmail to receive and send emails, just enable this toggle. And if you want to save or transfer contacts from your Gmail, just enable the toggle for contacts. And the same goes with all the other options. After you do that, then just select Save. And as you can see, we have successfully added our Gmail account to our iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.